Oh wait, I forgot. You guys never got to watch the video. Here's the video right here.
Hey guys, this is Ep.2, and for this episode of the Epic Builds, we're gonna be doing
a big pirate ship
featuring
What's up 900?
also featuring Okay guys, let's show you the ship. When I'm ever on this world, which will be when I'm at my dad's house or whatever, I'm going to be on this world, and I'm going to have new additions to this world. Then the other world with the Guitar Hero thing, I'll be adding new additions soon. Coming soon to episode 3 will be Connect 4. But, anyways, let's get started. Here's a little deck. Here's a little, stop, nah. We're all 3 pirates. Not yet. We're going to show this. Oh, and remember, the person with the diamond sword was up, and the one with the iron sword's Scott Boys. So here's the little wheel thing. Yeah, I'm going to show everything outside. Crates filled with nothing, because I couldn't find any other alternative source. And also featuring the sail. Whoa. Fine, screw it. I'm just gonna fly up. And here's the front of the ship. Featuring Mr. Pumpkin and Mrs. Pumpkin. Now for the captain's quarters. Woo! A book. I don't care about all this other butter over here. A book. I'm kidding. I want more of the butter than the book. Other stuff. Other stuff.
Alright, you ready?
Not yet. Okay, well here's TNT cannons downstairs. Get ready, dude, because once you see me outside, then it's time. Okay, well we're going to show you the TNT cannons. They don't launch that far, and I haven't tested the outside ones. So, ready, fire each one. I don't know if this one works. Fail. Do number 2. Number 2 I know works, because I've tried it. I swear if the other one fails, that's just going to be hilarious. Now for number 3! Ahem. Number 3. Oh, please tell me it works. Work is 3. Oh, crap. I think I'm just going to keep the 1 TNT cannon. Okay, guys, I'll be right back when the ship is rebuilt.
Sorry to interrupt, but we have to show you this ending trailer. Let's watch it!
Don't start it yet. Come on. Ah.
Alright, son, set this thing off.
Hold on, no, wait, I gotta make... This will make sure it doesn't jump. Okay, now set it off. Please, wait. Okay, good, it worked. It didn't jump into the hole. It doesn't go that far. It's like a little glitch for the pirate ship. I made it where it's as long as possible, but I don't know. It's happened with that before. But hope you enjoyed the video. I will tell you the seed. And you can also find the seeds in the description below. And if you're too fat and lazy to look at the description, then the seed is in capital letters, NPC, then in lowercase letters. Like, you have to do spaces too between each word. Now in lowercase letters. Hold on, let's start over. Capital letters NPC, lowercase letters village with pigs. And somewhere you'll find this place. And also 5 mushroom biomes. Somewhere way over here. They're little small ones, but they are freaking worth it. Also, if those don't impress you at all, well then what about the ravine with plus stronghold inside the ravine? Should be over by spawn somewhere. Or you should find it right there in between the snow biome and stuff. It's right here. I haven't explored it at all.
This was crap.
Oh, wait, what? Is it like, the heck? Ooh, glitched out type of stronghold. I like it. Ha! Dude, it's a mine. Oh no, wait, is that a mineshaft slash thing? What is this? Is that a mineshaft slash stronghold? I'm not sure, but it's pretty freaking cool. It's a tiny one. See if we can chest full of that. Break. Totally freaking scared. Scared about Herobrine, even though I don't believe in him. Somehow he still scares me. Holy Mother of God, and I just hit the ocean. No, he's not. Even though I don't believe in him, period, just thinking about him scares me.
I don't believe in him. World, and I was just placing down doors, and at random seconds, my doors were opening by themselves.
It's called invisibility by the host or whatever. It's also probably a glitch.
No, it wasn't mine. I think
Well, maybe if I don't post this video today, I might make a little extra bonus clip. You might, if you do, go check out, might be, I'm not saying there will, but there might be a bonus clip to make this, mod on this. Even though this is on the Xbox, I heard that you are allowed mods on this thing. And maybe we'll do the Zeppelin mod, which allows anything that's been placed on to move. See you guys later. Hope you enjoy the video. Rate, comment, subscribe. The seed is in the description. See you later. Say bye, guys.
Bye.